guys, so welcome back to my channel. I know I'm on a video roll, you guys. I'm so excited to be filming videos for you guys and producing really good content now, like with a good quality camera and stuff, and doing videos that I know you guys will like seeing. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys like a get ready with me, but this is gonna be more like directed towards my curly hair routine. So my hair is fresh out the shower. My hair is like super long, if you guys can see that. So I'm going to pretty much just be like showing you guys the products I use and all that good jazz, I guess you could say. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and brush out our hair. We're going to start from the roots in, and I like to always squirt in this leave-in conditioner stuff. That I got this from TJ Maxx. This was $5.99 from Marshall. Sorry, that was. And I like to just kind of squirt this all throughout my hair. Like, I learned that you can be very heavy-handed with this stuff. It doesn't make your hair oily or greasy or anything. I'm just going to squirt this all throughout my hair. So as you guys can tell, I use quite a bit of the product. I just find that you can't use not enough. See my mirror, I gotta be able to see somehow. So now I'm just going to brush my hair out. My hair is like always super tangly, so I find that it always takes forever to brush out my hair, which is really annoying because it's just like, why does my hair take forever to brush out? Even after I use like a leave-in conditioner, it still takes for freaking ever. So just going to brush this out as good as I can. And it's weird doing my hair out here because normally I like do it in the bathroom, so it's like a little bit different for me. I'm just going to keep brushing. I'm gonna put you guys in fast mode so you don't have to just see me ripping out my hair. So now my hair is pretty much brushed out, and I'm going to do a middle part. I've always done a middle part, like for about like 7 years now. I've always just done a middle part. I used to hate middle parts, but since I figured out how to actually do my hair, I figured that a front part, or I cannot talk today, I swear, a middle part like makes my curly hair look better. Like I find that if I have like, you know, curly hair and I put more hair over here, I look like a big poodle, like a poof ball. So I'm just going to do a simple middle part. Nothing too crazy. It's very hard to part my hair in like a mirror that is like. So today is Friday also, so happy Friday, you guys. What I'm doing tonight is, I don't know what me and Michael are going to do. I think we're going to an auction. Like every Friday my town has a little auction, so we always just like to go to that to kind of have something to do. And then we'll probably go to the bar after, just because I feel like that's normally what we do on Fridays anyways. Like, or the weekends is normally when we drink. So in case you guys were wondering. All right, so here's pretty much my middle part. Now I'm just going to like brush it out and make sure everything is smooth as can be. So here is pretty much my hair when it's all brushed out and looking actually good. My hair, I do like straight. I don't straighten it that much. I probably straighten it like 3 times a year. I did film a video one time on my phone of it, but I never uploaded it. So maybe I can refilm it for you guys because I do like to switch up my hair occasionally. But anyways, now that this is done, we can actually start applying our curling products to it. So what I've been using lately, I do switch back and forth a lot. Like every time I go to the store, I always get a new curling product. So right now I've just been using this. This is the Herbal Essence Turtly Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse. So what I like to do is just shake that one and roll my feet up also. I normally like to apply quite a bit of product, so there's probably about how much I use. And I just like to distribute it on my hands really evenly. And then I like to start towards the bottom of my hair, so down here, and I'll like kind of like swoop my hand in there, kind of distribute all the product. And then I'm going to do it again and grab it, and then just kind of just like, I don't know how to explain it. You guys just have to watch. I don't really know how to explain it. And I always like to focus towards my bangs because they tend to get really frizzy. I don't know if it's just because it's like pieces that frame my face and they get like sweat on them or whatever, but I always like to focus a lot of the product there too. I'm just going to distribute any extra product through my hair. I like to work on 2 sides, this side and then this side. So that's normally how I like to divide the hair up. So now that the product is pretty much in there, we can start making the curls happen. So I'm going to just pretty much repeat this. I like to always grab this piece too by my face and kind of like twirl it, like twist it right there, because that just makes it like, because sometimes I put my hair back and I like to have these pieces like framing my face, as you guys seen in my last video. So fast mode and we're going to watch me scrunch. Okay, you guys, so that side is pretty much done. Now we're going to just do the same exact thing to the other side. About that much. Distribute it in our hands. That's why my sleeves are always pulled up. Then we're going to just distribute it in there. And then we're going to focus towards our bangs because that's where it gets frizzy. And then an extra product is just going to be distributed in here. And now we're going to twist the front piece because they are our framing pieces. And we're going to scrunch. Sorry I wore a black shirt. I should have wore like a white shirt so you guys could actually see, but it's fine. You guys can kind of get the gist of what I'm doing. So that is pretty much all I like to do to my hair, and then I'm going to let it sit for like about an hour, and then I'm going to actually do my makeup. So what I like to do is just not touch it at all whenever it's through this drying process. I'm going to just leave it alone, not touch it, and I will be back with you guys in about an hour to show you guys the final results of my hair and then some hairstyles that I do like to do to style it. Like I'll show you guys 2 of my go-tos whenever I have my hair like curly and stuff, because I don't always put mousse in every day. Sometimes I'll just let it be like completely natural with no products, just this leave-in conditioner is normally what I'll put in it sometimes, and just go on about my day. So I will see you guys in about an hour. Hey guys, so I am back about 2 hours later. I went to the store and then like did my makeup and watched a few YouTube videos. So now I'm going to show you guys a few little outfits that I like to, or outfits, come on now, we're talking about hair. I'm going to show you guys a few little hairstyles I like to do. So the first one that I like to do quite frequently actually is I like to just do like a little low ball. So I like to pull like 2 little pieces of hair back, and I'll loosely do a ball in the back of my hair like so. And this is what I wear a lot. Like I would literally just leave out the door like this just because I really like how it looks. So there is what that looks like. Super sophisticated and everything. And then the second look I like to do is I like to have all my hair at the front, and I like to wear it like this. So I wear this a lot, like my hair like this. I don't have a clip with me right now, but you guys kind of get the gist. I'll just use a clip and clip it back. So I really hope you guys like this video. Here's the outcome of my hair, so you guys can kind of see how curly it is. It's pretty much all the way dry now too. So I really hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!